starting with Dogwifhat, which secured the 7th position in the Moon Awards survey with 1.7% of the total votes. It represents the playful spirit of meme coins. Built on the Solana blockchain, Dogwifhat's charm lies in its simplicity, revolving around the amusing concept of a dog wearing different hats. Despite a lack of clear utility, the coin witnessed significant growth, propelled by the burgeoning interest in Solana, demonstrating the unique appeal of meme coins in the digital asset space. Moving up to the 6th place, Floki, with 2% of the votes, introduces a blend of utility and meme culture within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Its deflationary model, featuring auto burns to reduce supply, sets it apart. Floki's versatility, functioning on both Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, and its foray into the metaverse and NFTs underline its potential to reshape the meme coin landscape. In the 5th position, Myro, capturing 4.4% of the votes, stands out as an autonomous meme coin on the Solana blockchain. Named after a co-founder of Solana's dog, Myro's impressive 1,400% gains in 2023 spotlight the expansive growth of meme coins on Solana. Its community-driven ethos and focus on enhancing the crypto experience underscore Myro's burgeoning influence. Pepe takes the 4th spot with 6.9% of the votes. Emerging in 2023, Pepe reignited the meme coin market, amassing significant market capitalization without promoting utility. Its self-acknowledged uselessness hasn't deterred investors, showcasing the unpredictable dynamism and investor appeal in the meme coin domain. Shiba Inu, securing the 3rd place with 11.4% of the votes, has become a staple in the meme coin genre. Its meteoric rise and ambitions for a decentralized ecosystem spotlight the evolving aspirations of meme coins. The adoption of cutting-edge security measures and the launch of the Shiba name service could forecast a bright future for Shiba, potentially doubling its price. Bonk, in 2nd place with 15.7% of the votes, emerged as the pioneering meme token on the Solana network, witnessing a staggering 7,300% gain. Despite a recent decline, the launch of BonkSwap suggests a resurgence. Bonk's mission to empower users over venture capital investors remains a compelling narrative in the meme coin saga. Finally, Dogecoin, with an overwhelming 53.2% of the votes, remains the king of meme coins. Originating as a joke in 2013, its journey to widespread adoption and the support from figures like Elon Musk illustrate the unmatched legacy and potential of Dogecoin. As we approach the Bitcoin halving and witness growing adoption, Dogecoin's trajectory is poised for exciting developments. This journey through the top meme coins of 2024 not only highlights the diversity and creativity within this niche, but also underscores the evolving narratives and potential of digital currencies in capturing the imagination and investment of the public.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, we have even more content for you at Tokeometrics. Get there using the link down below.